than 175 million children were out of pre-primary education in low-income countries. At least 8 of 10 pre-primary age children are missing out on the early years of education. We provided around $1 billion to SDG 4, around 5% to the ECCE.
On the financing side, the Tongan government has increased its investment in ECCE in recognition of the importance of early childhood care and education, with the establishment of dedicated budget. The increase of the number of ECCE centers by government from 5% to 42% is a testimony to the increased investment that the government is putting on this particular sector.
Norway is prioritizing equity and inclusive education, and several policies and adequate funding have been implemented to ensure early childhood education and care of high quality is accessible to all.
7 years ago, it was just 35% children had an access to preschool. Our analysis showed that starting at least having 1 year preschool for every child must be a priority. So by using our school facilities, I mean general education infrastructure, within 5 years, from 2015 to 2020, we achieved 90% access for 5-6-year-olds, which is just 1 year before the children start their general education, primary education.
The ECCE sector in Malaysia, which includes government agencies, the private sector and NGOs, are providing ECCE services to 748,212 children, including children with disabilities aged 4 to 6 years in 50,301 classes nationwide.
Le Gabon donne aux filles et aux garçons les mêmes chances d'accès à l'éducation. C'est encadré par des lois avec un taux de scolarisation de plus de 92%. Concernant le niveau de couverture d'éducation de la petite enfance, il y a 2550 enfants dans 9572 salles de classe, des écoles pré-primaires, centres d'éducation préscolaire, crèches et halte garderies.
We propose a systems approach because we've talked about financing, public demand, the workforce, quality assurance, but with a systems approach, you have to take the whole system and also understand that it's much more difficult. You can't just invest in one component, and if you don't understand that you have to actually address all the others and understand how all the components interact with each other.
Supporting universal access to quality early learning with all of those frameworks, but I see clearly the importance of our champions, the ministers, the legislators, those who will make it happen.